Hey everyone, in this video, let's talk about how you can use Hacoo. In order to do so, here we are in Hacoo for iOS, and we have installed and we're ready to start. And once you have begun, then you will be met with a screen like this. We're going to go ahead and just make our selections here, and we'll go through and we'll just choose something random here. I don't think it's necessary. We'll just confirm with that. And then we'll accept the privacy policy update. And we'll just go ahead and ask app not to track that as well. So from here, once you are all logged in and you're ready to go, then you can start going through and shopping on Hacoo. So it's as simple as that. If we need to log in, we can go to the login screen here at the bottom right-hand corner. We can go ahead and select login. And then from here, we can either log in with our phone number or we can continue with Google. We'll go ahead and continue with Google here. And there we go. We're now all logged in with Hacoo and we're ready to start shopping. So that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe for more helpful tips.